Hello and welcome to our channel guys. So today in this video we're gonna talking the 10 best zoos in the world. Most of us don't live in the African savanna or in the jungles of South America. So when you wish to take a glimpse at the world's most amazing animals, we usually go to the zoo. But what makes a zoo a great zoo? A great zoo treats the animals as residents rather than prisoners, supplies optimal living conditions to the animals to make captivity as close to their natural habitats as possible. Egretsu also runs a conservation program to attempt to breed animals that struggle to survive in the wild. The diversity of the animals kept by the zoo is another key element that makes a zoo great. So without any further delay, let's jump to our number 1. In number 1 in our list here comes the Berlin Zoo, Germany. The Berlin Zoo and its associated aquarium houses over 17,000 individual animals. Although the zoo was originally created for the personal animal collection of King William IV of Prussia, most of the animal population was rescued during the World War II. The current animal collection has been created through a handful of the original survivors, animals that have been given as gifts via diplomatic gestures and animals which the zoo has bred as part of conservation efforts. The zoo is often referred to as one of Berlin's prime attractions. In number 2 in our list here comes Bronx Zoo, United States. The Bronx Zoo in New York is one of the largest zoos in the world, currently housing around 6,000 animals of 650 different species. Since opening in 1899, it has been widely praised for its public wildlife education program and its wildlife conservation attempts. In number 3 in our list here comes London Zoo, England. The London Zoo or Regent's Zoo opened in 1828, which makes it the oldest zoo in the world. The zoo holds a collection of over 800 species, while the animals are all housed in state-of-the-art enclosed. Many of the original Victorian features are still on the show at the park, giving a real British atmosphere. Some of the most beloved areas of the zoos are the aquarium that opened in 1853 and the reptile house that opened in 1927. In number 4 in our list here comes Wellington Zoo, New Zealand. Opened in 1906, the Wellington Zoo is dedicated to preserving native New Zealand animals like the famous critically endangered national bird kiwi, as well as animals from the wider Asian Pacific region. The zoo has been very prolific in the free the bears movement, which aims to protect the bears in Southeast Asia. The zoo frequently wins commendation for its use of green technologies and sustainable resources in animal handling. In number 5 in our list here comes Beijing Zoo, China. The Beijing Zoo is spread over a huge area and holds a collection of 950 species. The Beijing Zoo is also the perfect place to see a wide range of rare Chinese animals that you are unlikely to see anywhere else in the world. The range of Chinese animals include giant pandas, Chinese alligators, South China tigers, and Chinese great salamanders. The unique zoo layout and architectural style, which includes beautiful gardens, lotus pools, and authentic Chinese pavilions, is also well worth seeing. In number 6 in our list here comes Philadelphia Zoo, United States. Philadelphia Zoo was the first public zoo in the United States. It includes one of the best primate exhibitions in the world, including 10 different rare primate species like the silverback gorillas, Sumatran orangutans, gibbons, lowland gorillas, and lemurs. The zoo has been widely praised for its successful rare breeds breeding program. In number 7 in our list here comes Singapore Zoo, Singapore. Singapore is the smallest and dense island, but it has an urban park, a botanical garden, and a zoo they can be very proud of. The zoo opened in 1973 and has over 300 species, many of which the endangered species. The Singapore Zoo is considered one of the best mainly because of the way the animals are kept and displayed. Instead of watching the animals through bare gaze, the barrier between the visitors and the animals are as invisible as possible. Using range of example, the night safaris is adjacent to the zoo. It's the first night safari in the world and is one of the Singapore's best tourist attractions. In number 8 in our list here comes San Diego Zoo, United States. With both the San Diego Zoo and the San Diego Sea World, visitors to the city of San Diego can see a very large number of wildlife exhibits. The San Diego Zoo itself holds more than 650 species and subspecies and was the first to exhibit the animals in a cageless manner, using hidden obstacles like moats, recreating as much as possible the natural habitats. The zoo also holds a conservation and research institute. In number 9 in our list here comes Zoo Basel, Switzerland. The Zoo Basel, or formerly the Basel Zoological Garden, is a non-profit zoo located in Lausanne, Basel. It houses some 600 different species, including some species which cannot be found in another zoo in the world. Some of the rarest animals displayed are pygmy hippopotamus, Indian rhinos, and okapi. The endangered species breeding program of the Basel Zoo is known in the world as one of the most successful breeding programs. In number 10 in our list here comes Melbourne Zoo, Australia. Officially the Royal Melbourne Zoological Gardens, the Melbourne Zoo is the oldest zoo in the Australia. Opened in 1862, the park features today over 320 species, both native Australian species and other animals from around the world. The Australian exhibits include koalas, kangaroos, wombats, ichneras, and more. So these are the list of top 10 best zoos in the world. If you find this video interesting and helpful to you, do share with your friends and family. And please like this video and do subscribe to the channel for more interesting stuff like this. So see you guys in the next video. So till then, bye.